How to activate your crypto.com card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can activate your crypto.com card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to activate your crypto.com card, such as your metal, Visa, debit card, or whatever type of card you receive, first of all open the crypto.com app, right? And then once you open it up, what you actually want to do is you want to come to the card icon, which is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you come to the card icon from the bottom right, here you'll be able to see your card, and here you'll find the blue button that says activate my card. So all you have to do is just tap on the activate my card button, but make sure you've already received it. Once you tap on activate my card, it will ask you to enter the CVV, and the CVV number is found on the back side of your physical card. So make sure you have a physical card and then find out the CVV number and then make sure to enter them here. Once you enter your card details over here, you'll be able to see a detail that says congrats, your card is successfully activated. So now once we've activated our card, we can move on to other process, such as you can actually go ahead and set up your PIN for ATM withdrawals and POS purchases. Once you set up your PIN, make sure the PIN is correct and your PIN will also be confirmed, and then after that you can go ahead and use your card respectively. That's all it takes to activate your crypto.com metal, Visa, debit card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.